how cool is this? Today we decided just to hang around South Lefroy, and we got told by one of the locals who's been camping here for like 20 years to come check out this whaling station. I think it's called Norwegian Bay, and literally we're the only ones here. This is so cool. There's like whaling machinery just on the beach and in behind the dunes, big boilers, and it like, honestly, it's got to be one of the coolest places. There's some ruins in the water here. We're going to go in and have a snorkel and see what we can find, but honestly, this is just so mint, eh? It's time for some snorkeling. Honestly, just so cool. Over here there's some ruins in the water, and all around the ruins is all petrified wood and like roots and stuff sticking out. It's like just not what you'd expect to see. It's so cool. David's got a new mask. I gotta get the front. Oh, that's awesome. Did you guys go up right over the dunes?
It's totally not the way we came in.
We need to find them. They're lost. We need to find them. No, they're not lost. Really, just go down to the beach. Yeah, see how they
I love it.
Sahara Desert to the right and Tahiti to the left.
How's this? We just pulled up, got a bit lost in the sand dunes. Just pulled up here to this like little bay. Again, no one here. Look at this. Look at the water. There's a little reef that goes out there. So we've decided we're going to have another little stop and do a little snorkel through here. And then you go this way. This is awesome. Sand dunes to see. What the inside of the car looks like when the kids get to drive. Someone's hanging out the window.
Hello. And of course the driver.
So we have finished the day back at South Lefroy. We're down right near campsite 1, right at the south end of it. Lots of marine life out there, so pretty keen to finish the day off with a snorkel out here. Let's go see if we can find some big fish, maybe a turtle. sunset and a snorkel.